tranquil paradise where you can have everything you want for less and for less. This is the entrance. Keep going in.
Mm-hmm.
Careful with yourself because it's slippery sometimes. We are right here. Beautiful place. Beautiful place where you can enjoy a beautiful scenery. You take it outside. The boat drops you there. You come with the ferry drops you here. And you can come around, walk around, you can relax, you can eat. Let's go to the other side. They will persuaded by partner will take care of you. Then you come to the restaurant. The restaurant aspect of it, where you can get all what you want to eat. You place your order and you get your dinner served for you and your family. Beautiful place, beautiful setting. Very local, very traditional, and it's wonderful. This is a place where you can eat and relax and be happy.